Please, Huzoor, Alhamdulillah, Lajna Emaila, Ghana, and also Nigeria, we have celebrated our centenary. And my concern is post-centenary activities. If Huzoor can direct us on some of the activities he wishes that Lajna Emaila, both Ghana and Nigeria, engages in moving on. I
have already given you a charter and manifesto during my Lajna address. You have to follow that. Huh?
Yes, please,
right?
Huzoor.
Train yourself, increase your knowledge, and strengthen your bond with Allah the Almighty. Train your children, discharge your duty towards your family members, and of course spread the message of Islam and Ahmadiyyat. You should also do tabligh alongside men, and if you do it you can do it in a better way even, and train your children also that they involve themselves into the system of the Jamaat and become better Ahmadi. This is your job. This is your assignment. Huh? This is your manifesto. Right?